Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend it to install the application to enable a lot of features here. Now go to settings and to your headphones. And the first one, these headphones have ANC, it's a classic and must have. And more of that, you have ANC and also you have 3 presets, so it's high preset, low preset and auto preset. So choose the best one for you. If you walking to the street, I recommend it to use low. If you are in a fly, I recommend to use high, or you can also use auto and it will be swapped. Cool. Next one, you have transparency mode, it calls path through right here, and again you can manage it. So you can increase this level or you can lower this level. As you can see, it works. Next one, you have auto off mode, right here it's auto standby. So you can enable or disable it if you want to. And next one, you have your sensors, and more of that you can of course manage it. You have low, high and middle one, normal. Cool. And the last one is you can disable or enable voice prompt. So I guess it's also a cool feature here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!